AI governance. Why is it important? Today in Australia, businesses are trying to reach their maximum potential using AI both ethically and responsibly. Lack of having AI governance will put your business at the risk of privacy infringement, data breaches, shadow AI, and even potentially loss of customers. The regulatory authorities could also impose heavy penalties for you. Indeed, Gartner is predicting that 15% of the decisions in businesses will be made by autonomous agents in the next 2 years, whereas probably we are much closer in the timeline. Due to lack of monitoring, shadow AI may lead to penalties, loss of customers, and even reputational damage. The challenge here in Australia is that there are very few guidelines provided by the regulators, and even the regulatory bodies themselves are actually catching up with the rapid AI growth. So how can we put in AI governance as businesses? How do we make it safe for a business to maximize the potential both ethically and responsibly? AI data governance is, after all, a set of processes, procedures, rules, and guardrails put in place effectively, and every business should do this quite early in their AI adoption. Recently, I attended FST Media's Future Financial Services conference, and Australian Unity did a talk about how they did this in their organization, which I thought was fantastic. So what are the steps involved? Understand the problem you're trying to solve. Yes, don't jump into AI adoption straight away. Instead, try to assess what are the business problems and what are your internal problems as an organization. The easiest way to do this is conduct a hackathon in your own organization with all the tech folks in and give them a theme of AI adoption. And you will see a list of problems and also the potential AI-based solutions that you could implement in your organization. Number 2, understand the type of data you're dealing with. Most of the times, there is qualitative data and there is quantitative data. Because based on this, you will decide what kind of tools your businesses would need. This will not only help you understand what are the kind of tools that you would need, but also the integration touch points for your whole AI journey. Combine generative AI and machine learning to get the best outcomes. There is a lot of focus on the generative AI at the moment, which is based on large language models. But if you look at quantitative analysis, machine learning is what will help you achieve your goals. What you could do with this combination of generative AI and machine learning is you could automate, do knowledge management, software development, and also analytics. And key thing is to set AI governance as foundation. How do you do this? Most of the mature businesses will already have architecture forums and change advisory boards. Implement AI checkpoints in these forums as a starting point. Get your leadership in these forums to actually question AI adoption and how they would be progressing forward and what is the path forward for the employees within your organization. Have an AI innovation group that will handhold your employees to walk through this AI adoption journey. Set up AI working groups and guardrails so your early adopters can come in and get the right kind of support. This will encourage more of your employees to embrace this with a better mindset when things are made easier. AI use case and workflow approvals can be done by platform leadership and escalated to risk management and higher leadership where the use cases are more complex. Provide basic AI literacy to your employees and encourage reporting of breach so you can learn from it and also report and be transparent about it to regulators. This will help you get the trust that you need in your early adoption journey. Examples of AI governance controls are shown in this picture. Again, this is something that I have not put together, but I was quite impressed by how Australian Unity has rolled this out. Finally, set up a primary funnel and ensure all your AI initiatives and ideas go through this primary funnel. Again, going back to Australian Unity, the example that they provided was they had 95 plus use cases and only 8 were operationalized based on the value and all the different stage gates that they had set up. So this is how you can set up AI governance in your own businesses. If you like the content that I shared today, follow me on Instagram and subscribe on YouTube. Till the next one, take care.